Fully attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share from the blog in shoot. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee Spartan of dancehall in high anticipation. Now, viewers and subscribers, dancehall has been looking for a collaboration from Vybz Kartel and Tommy Lee Spartan ever since Tommy Lee said them betray the Gaza boss and get a little hype, but how long will it last? And Vybz Kartel replied with, I am the champion. Yes, I am the champion, and the champion he is, viewers and subscribers. No, yes, dancehall. I talk about the release of the latest project, viewers and subscribers. No, yes, it is official. Boss Lady has made contact with the camp, viewers and subscribers, and they are working on a new project featuring Vybz Kartel and of course Tommy Lee Spartan himself. Now we all remember that voice note that allegedly had producer Elvis and also Tommy Lee Spartan voice. Now the Spartan King say I never him, and we are gonna leave it at that. Him say I never him. We're not gonna dwell upon that. If I want to, we can talk about in the music industry. Tommy Lee Spartan, viewers and subscribers, we never see him drop the catch. Him always show with versatility and creativity. Recently we see him top the trending locally and also for the Caribbean diaspora. Internationally we see the crowd that react well to Tommy Lee Spartan's style of music. Yo, one thing, once the teacher say, yo, yes youth, you're ready for the dancehall industry. Me no know. Me never see the teacher say, see an artist there. We want to look out for. And unless them themselves decide say, yo, we're going to ease off of music. We always see them become stars among the stars that are already in the dancehall industry. Long before we hear about the Gaza 6, viewers and subscribers, remember say the Spartan them, the whole Mobile Empire. I remember say it was the whole Mobile Empire when the West was one. Remember say we know what go on when the dialing kick in and you know what I mean? Yeah, the whole separation take place fully. But remember, at the one camp, everybody rate the teacher and the teacher rate all artists except the 3, you understand? But viewers and subscribers, long before the Gaza 6, Tommy Lee Spartan was that artist from Mobile when it really get Kingston that vibe or that window into what the lifestyle is like in a Mobile. Talk the truth, no, man. And even in these later days, when I say majority of the artists who forward from Mobile, I can still see that in some way, shape or form, they were inspired by Tommy Lee Spartan and of course Vybz Kartel, but Tommy Lee Spartan inspired by the teacher. And you know what I mean, the same effect for the rest of the artists, so I say forward from the bay. So I have a big up Leroy. Anyway, I'm there. I definitely a creative artist. Not only an artist, but also somebody where they know the production side. I see him play instruments. I see him actually tell the engineers to no, level the bass there, so. You know what I mean? Yeah, the mid-range one tweak a little. You know what I mean? Is an artist who understand music, and any artist who understand music is normally somebody who becomes a cultural icon. And for Mobile and representation of Mobile dancehall, North Coast dancehall, Tommy Lee Spartan will be remembered, viewers and subscribers. Me I look forward to the collaboration and the teacher. One thing me know about Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, once me know the chaka forward from the teacher, me not just talk about chart tapping effects. We not just talk about the whole heap of millions of views. Me I talk about the song itself. And we not just talk about the cadence and the flow and the melody. No! We are talking about the lyrical content. And that's what me focus on when me hear Vybz Kartel music. I don't know about nobody else. Me already know so the teacher master articulation. Me already know so the teacher know about flow. Master it. Me I talk about lyrical content where the teacher choose for say. I will me listen for when me hear Vybz Kartel music, because me I telling you, if I want artist continue to inspire me with words, and the teacher, I not go around. Vybz Kartel continue to inspire me with words. Even in the way I articulate myself and put a statement across to people. The teacher definitely inspire my viewers and subscribers. I mean, I look forward to see that track here inspire dancehall artists, especially aspiring artists. Because the thing not stop you, so. The thing not stop you, the teacher always point that out. The thing not stop right there, so. We can carry it even that much far up. So the teacher drop him album and release it in the hip hop and R&B genre. And still do extremely well. So we're up on the billboard there. What not talk about? What not talk? So the teacher never drop him album for overshadow Roddy Rich them or post them. Him just drop him album for show so we can do it too. Dancehall inspire this genre of music. And we respect the art form too. Yes, we respect the art form. We see where them are going, you didn't see what are going. We respect the art form, the way them put them beat together. We respect them. Just like how them respect we. So when we drop the album, the viewers and subscribers, you'd have mixed reviews. People are talking about a thing. But see it there, it worked. Because everything was calculated. Everything was strategic. When the nation got to work, everything strategic, viewers and subscribers. No matter feel like say things happen by mistake. Things happen by coincidence. No, when the teacher got to work, everything is strategic. The new track you got to do just that for dancehall music. We see dancehall music right now on an elevated stage. The wider world right now are paying more attention to dancehall and dancehall artists. I don't know if you don't notice what I go on, viewers and subscribers. The wider world is now paying more attention to dancehall music and dancehall artists. We see it, Coffee got guitar Grammy recently. Big up Coffee. You know what I mean? But dancehall music is still a music way. It's somewhat underrated. Under-celebrated. Me feel so personally. Because me not say the people them a champion for dancehall cause. Me not see them a champion for dancehall cause. You still have reggae festival, you know a dancehall festival. Why? And we have so much dancehall artists. Why? But we do wait for Europe to keep one, then Jamaica keep one. We have to keep one for ourselves. We are the promoters. We are the promoters. We are fought together and do that for dancehall music. No. People celebrate reggae because of the success of reggae. But if reggae was in dancehall's position and dancehall was in reggae position, at least we don't go on the same way. That I show you say we not celebrate with culture enough. We not push with artists. When the album them drop, support for show for the artists them. Know what I mean? When the label them a link up, management forget the artists them, the big deals with the major international labels so that them can market dancehall to markets where dancehall now get market to right now. The people want to search for dancehall themselves. We need to see strong promotion, big show keep, then put some dancehall artists over so the people can see the performance and say, yes, dancehall, you know, it. And that's what I feel like needed in this day and age. So that's why the thing can't stop us. So we need more artists, we need more producers, more engineers, more promoters. Yeah, the thing not stop us. So. And the teacher continues to inspire the next generation. And that's why we respect both Vybz Kartel. People can talk all day long about the negative aspects of a person. But one thing I notice nobody now forward and do, I talk about the positive attributes of people and them individuality. People quick to say, yo, yeah man, my son, they go on with that. But when they do something good, it's like everybody turn with them head and I look somewhere else. They must say, yo, I never see. Do it again. It's almost like they want to tell us, I never see. Do it again. But the teacher, viewers and subscribers, him continue to do it. And him not do it for people see. This is just a merit of the teacher's characteristics. Him know saying a dancehall music for dancehall continue to live on. Not just for him himself, but for also him youth them and the future generations. And we need artists with this vision in mind. Right now the teacher fall back a road, the teacher can become a music mogul, meaning say a CEO of your company. Yeah, for your music company. I feel like him have the vision where him could have show other artists, say, what you know, say if you use that style, focus that way, add that fusion to your thing, he'd be a mega star. I feel like him can help the next generation to that level. But one thing though, we want more music. So we don't want the teacher retire from music at no point in time. We want more music. We can't, hey, the teacher, one of the only artists, I must say people still watch him interview them from 05, 08, 09, 010. But there's nobody else that pay attention to another artist and what they do in a 010. And remember the teacher is still alive. Yeah, Big up the teacher. Big up Tamale Spartan. The collaboration of Dancehall in high anticipation, and that's a quick recap. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, the Dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And me I remind you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But when you like the reason and of course when you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon. And remember the like icon there, if I like we drop a like on the vlog. The share icon is also there as well, so you can tell a friend, for tell them sister, and them brother them for check out the channel and check out the reason. The comment section is always open 24/7, no matter when you say the vlog viewers and subscribers. Just be respectful and be mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And as we must say, we can continue the reasoning from the comment section. Yeah man, of course that up move settings fam. And you know we no need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love and prosper until we reason again fam.